So the good telling over here is that the PSEI came out of a very rough spot already, and to me that's very good news. We're out of our corrective trend and we're now swung back into a recovery situation. So in the short term, we only have a problem because market prices zoomed up a bit too much, precipitated by the short covering, and of course the new buying we're seeing on the local front. That's generating overbought warnings, and the proximity to our next resistance closer to 7,100, and of course some headwinds which could come in from other markets across the world, which would be from the US and parts of Asia, that might drive some corrective need into that short term. So like I said, for those who didn't get to participate earlier on, you might have the ability to be able to buy back into this pullback. So use that as an opportunity for yourself. Support areas have identified between 6,745 or 6,750, roughly to about 6,626 or 6,630, just to be able to round them off. Also, in those pullbacks, I would highly suggest this. Please lean on the stronger trending stocks. And what I mean is, there's a tendency for people when they're looking into the stock market and they see a few stocks start to be able to push up already. And the tendency for them is to look around them and say, oh, wow, medyo naiwanan na ako. I didn't get to be able to buy at a good price. And they will say, I will look for something that has not moved yet, right? And you're starting going to be looking, and what you're going to be doing is you're going to bring your quality assessment down so that you can pick stocks that have not moved yet. So you're automatically thinking that those weaker stocks will perform just like those stronger stocks. And I'm sorry, I don't think that not all of them will do that. In fact, majority of them will not, because they're lagging for an issue, right? And that issue, although we still have to determine, it could be a case of the pandemic, it could be very localized on the company itself. Until you can see good evidence that they're resounding, I would suggest that I would put my money into where pullbacks are showing from these stronger trending stocks, because they're more likely to continue that strength later on when the recovery comes. So please keep that in good mind. Pullbacks to the 20 and 50-day EMAs are what we're looking for these strong issues. And also keep in mind that we want to be able to put ourselves back into this market and reposition after this profit taking. Okay, so don't be too scared of the market first. I don't believe that it's probably just going to run away, leave us behind. So give the opportunity for you to see these reactions and look for these entry spots, mark them down as they come closer to support. Maybe you can set your gradual buying conditions for that already. And keep in mind that our next resistance targets first after 7,100 will be the 73 to 7,400 range. To me, that's essential. If we can break that, that confirms my suspicion of a trend reversal, and we'll probably see much more viable upside after those resistance prices are actually broken.